girl, Palee Masia. I'm still alive, I'm still kicking, I'm still with you. Anyway, let's get straight into this video. But before we do that, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and recommend to your friends. Yes, recommend to every single person you want to recommend to, because it is child friendly, it is everybody friendly actually. Anyway, before I go into this video, it's Palee Masia on Facebook, it's Palee TT on YouTube, it's Palee TT on Instagram, it's Palee TT on TikTok. Yes, and okay, so today we are going to make a mask. It's a DIY mask. It is a mask to help you clear those black heads and white heads. So it's two in one. Two in one. Two in one. Yeah, bo. And it is very it's not expensive. It's DIY. It's not expensive. You can do it on a budget. All you need is the egg white. We're gonna take it out now. You're gonna need your boiling water. You're gonna need toilet paper, and you're gonna need your brush. I don't know if I cleaned it properly, because I've been washing it so many times. I'm starting to think I'm ruining it now. So if it still has makeup, ask this, guys, man, ask this. Okay, so firstly, I'm gonna try to take out the egg whites now, guys. I can't show you, but ooh. Okay, guys, I'm just trying to take out. Ooh, gosh. Okay, I think I got it all. Sorry, guys. You see? Yeah, it's just the egg, the yellow, the yolk. Sorry, the yellow yolk. Gosh. Anyway, it's just the yolk in here. So let me put that away. So as you can see, I only have the egg white in here. So I only have the egg white in there, so at least so first I'm gonna take my boiling water and just steam. You don't want to boil your face, guys, so it's just steaming just a bit. Okay, and then what you're gonna do now, let me just mix this. It's a bit cold because it comes from the fridge, so yeah, we're just gonna put the egg. We're gonna put the egg all over your face, all over our faces, guys. Now just be careful you don't put it in your eyes, guys. Imagine. Where I just saw this video, it says that be careful not to put it on your hair unless you want to rip it out. Okay. They said unless you want to rip out your eyes and rip out your hair, make sure you don't put it on your hair. Yeah, just put it everywhere, ne? Okay, so remember guys, eggs dry very quickly, so you might want to hold it before it dries, but even if it dries, it doesn't matter. You'll just re
Two 2,000 years later.
Hi guys, ooh, I fell asleep, I forgot. Look how dry this is. I am so stuffed, you guys. Okay, so they said that the best way, oh, is to peel it upwards. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. Ah, okay. It's not really that painful, guys. It's bearable. It's not painful at all. It's just it's just that it feels weird. Uh, please don't peel off my eyebrows. Okay. Woo! Oh my gosh. I feel weird. But my skin feels so soft. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and wash my face. There's my mask, you guys. It's so brown. And no, I didn't have makeup on today. You should see the dirt on this thing. It's just that you won't be able to see it. It needs a very, very fine, high definition lens. What? You? But anyway, now you're just going to go in with your now you're just gonna go in with your facial routine and you're sorted. I feel so soft, you guys. You must try it, ne? Try it. I feel so soft. Yet so ugly and dry. Actually, I'm not dry. I'm just yoked. Anyway, see you guys later. Hey guys, I just washed my face. I feel so soft. I feel so nice and lovely. I mean, you guys, you have to try this out. It is budget wise, but it works. It works. Yes, maybe I should try the whole charcoal thing as well. But hey, it works. Like, if only you could feel my skin. Anyway, we're done with this video for today. Join us for our next video. I love you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, recommend. You know what it is. Anyway. See you on our next video. I love you.